The G&Z 113EO40 is a position controller used in a Gomaco road machine. This position sensor is used to keep the alignment of a whole system on one axis, along with the other sensors, so the road is laid down straight as the machine slowly moves down the roadbed. ERD works on many of the sensors used on both Gomaco systems and the same type of systems made by PowerCurver. Throughout our website are many part numbers for various similar parts used in the systems. This video shows the position sensor being tested for proper output after the rebuild. At ERD, we verify full operation of all sensors, whether it's a position controller, such as this one, up to complex absolute encoder sensors. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.